FlexiTank Pro. Please remove contents from the box. You'll receive a FlexiTank, several legs and connectors that join the legs, and a tap. Unzip the tank to allow the air out of it and expand the tank for easy access. Then take your tap, ensuring that you remove the locking nut and separate the washers. A washer must always be on the outside of the FlexiTank and one on the inside to ensure a watertight seal. Push the tap from the outside inside to the FlexiTank, and with the other hand inside the FlexiTank, put the washer and the locking nut onto the thread and tighten up. Hand tighten the tap until you're happy that you have a good secure fitting connected to the tank. Tap at the base of the tank. Now take the legs and the joining bars and connect the legs to each other and insert them in the reservoir. Ideally, the legs should be pushed down through the hole and then joined together inside the tank and locked in position in the locators at the bottom of the reservoir. A certain amount of tension will need to be used to ensure that you can screw the locking nut on the top of the reservoir to secure each leg in place. This may require at times 2 people to assist. The tighter you can get the legs, the more tension you will have in the side of the reservoir. Once you've inserted and connected all the legs, ensure the locking nuts are all tight and all secure and in place. Fill the reservoir with water and turn the tap clockwise between 180 to 90 degrees so that it is in final position. The nuts are fully secure. There are 3 additional locking nuts and an additional tool that is supplied to remove the nuts. These are used for additional pipe work to be inserted for pumps or any electrical wires. That your FlexiTank is sitting on a level, flat, smooth surface.